In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 brand new cases for the iPhone 12 finished in genuine carbon fibre. My name is Lukman from LA Carbon Fibre, and these are brand new in our Classic Series. This is the latest and most improved Classic Series case. The Classic Series is one of the most popular cases that we've offered so far. All of the cases are finished in gloss carbon fibre with an absolutely beautiful finish. Apple brought back the flat edges from the iPhone 5 into the brand new iPhone 12 design. So this gave us the opportunity to really extend the carbon fibre, and then we've added a gloss black finish around the surround of the carbon fibre. So on the side of the phone, we've used a TPU material. The TPU material is made out of hard and soft segments which are linked together in a chain, which makes it resistant to stress, shock and abrasions. Absolutely perfect for use on a daily basis. With the latest generation of the Classic Series, your buttons are totally protected. They're totally covered, and also we've raised them. This will allow you to, let's say, adjust your volume while you're on a telephone call without having to look at your handset. One of the main reasons that people absolutely love our Classic Series cases was the amount of grip that you had on the sides. So we've improved that grip. The extra grip at the side also helps ensure that your phone stays in your hand whilst you're on the move, helping avoid you damaging your phone. Carbon fibre is a conductor, so if it had contact with your telephone, it would actually reduce your signal. So what we've done is we've created a layer in between that will protect your phone and ensure that you do not lose any signal. The case is wireless charge compatible, and also MagSafe chargers will work through the carbon fibre material. Connections and speakers have been precisely cut out. So in terms of sizes that we've created, you've got the iPhone 12 mini, which is the 5.4 inch screen. You've got the 6.1 inch screen on the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. You've got the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is the largest of the bunch, which is a 6.7 inch screen, and this case will perfectly fit that phone. So there you have it. There's our brand new lineup of iPhone 12 cases. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it gave you a bit of an insight to what these Classic Series carbon fibre cases are like. If you've got any questions, feel free to go on our website. The link is in the description. Our live chat is probably the easiest way to get hold of us. And also you can follow us on Instagram, where you can keep up to date on our latest products and follow our journey. But thank you very much for watching. Take care.